Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Model. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 12 types of chemical reaction, how a chemical reaction takes place, what are the molecules present on the left and right hand side of this equation, and the types of chemical reaction goes on. After discussing all the points in this video, we come to know about different types of chemical reaction, differences between reversible and irreversible processes, what is meant by rate of the reaction, discuss the factors influencing the rate of the reaction, explain the term ionic product of water, and we come to know about the pH and how to calculate pH. First, what are the types of chemical reaction? Types of chemical reaction classification based on the nature of rearrangement of atoms. One is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, combustion reactions. Decomposition reactions are of three types. One is thermal decomposition. By heating, the compound undergo decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition. By using current, decomposition reaction takes place. Photo decomposition reaction, by using light, if the decomposition occurs, it is called the photo decomposition reaction. Under displacement reaction, we have single displacement reaction and a double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions are further classified into precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction. Precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction. Now, come to combination reaction. First, combination reaction. A combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a new compound. Element plus element gives compound. Sodium solid combine with the chlorine gaseous state and form a compound, ionic compound, sodium chloride Na plus Cl minus. A compound react with the element gives a compound. Carbon monoxide gaseous state a compound and undergo oxidation by oxygen converted into another compound, carbon dioxide. Compound plus compound gives another compound. Silica solid state, it is an acidic oxide, non-metallic oxide or acidic oxide. React with calcium oxide, metallic oxide or basic oxide. Actually in metallurgy it is called flux, acidic flux, basic gang. These two undergo reaction gives a slag, calcium silicate a slag. All these are example of combination reaction. Decomposition reaction. A single compound split into two or more simpler substances in a reaction is called a decomposition reaction. It is the opposite of the combination reaction. Types of decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. The reactant molecules containing bonds are decomposed by applying heat energy in a reaction is called thermal decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate, limestone on heating liberate carbon dioxide and gives calcium oxide on heating. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. The reactant molecules containing bonds are decomposed by applying electrical energy in a reaction is called electrolytic decomposition reaction. Sodium chloride in aqueous state, water used as a solvent, if you pass current, electric current, it split up into sodium solid and chlorine gaseous state. Come to the third type of decomposition reaction, photo decomposition reaction. The reactant molecules containing bonds are decomposed by applying light energy in a reaction is called photocomposition reaction. For example, silver bromide is solid by passing light, photon of light, h mu, Planck quantum theory, and it split up into silver solid and bromine. Come to the next type of reaction, displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction, a reaction in which one atom is replaced by another atom When iron rod is placed in copper sulfate solution, iron displaces copper from its solution and form ferrous sulfate. Double displacement reaction. When two compounds react, if their ions are interchanged, then the reaction is called double displacement reaction. One of the product in this reaction is precipitate, then this reaction is called a precipitation reaction, or water, then this reaction is called a neutralization reaction. Come to the precipitation reaction. When aqueous solution of two compounds or react to form an insoluble compound is called a precipitation reaction. Lead nitrate Pb is a 2 plus ion and nitrate minus 1. When we cross that minus 1 here, this 2 is here, lead nitrate. Combine with potassium iodide K plus I minus, that one is here, this one is there. Plus combine with the minus, lead combine with the iodine, Pb2 plus I minus 1, when we cross PbI2. This plus combine with this minus, K plus combine with the NO3 minus, on crossing we get potassium nitrate. Come to the another type of reaction, neutralization reaction. Acid react to the base, neutralize each other, and to form a salt and water is called a neutralization reaction. NaOH, a base, undergo reaction with an acid HCl, plus combine with the minus, form NaCl. When we cross 1 get cancelled. This plus combine with this minus form water molecule H2O. And the next type of reaction is combustion reaction, burning reaction. Combustion reaction always takes place in the presence of oxygen. A reactant rapidly combines with oxygen to form one or more oxides, and heat energy is called combustion reaction. Methane, when burned in oxygen, carbon is converted into carbon dioxide, hydrogen is converted into water molecule, enormous amount of heat is given out from this reaction. Based on the direction of the reaction, the chemical reactions are further classified into two types. One is reversible reaction, another one is irreversible reaction. Come to first reversible reaction. Reactant is converted into product, and again product can be converted into reactant in reversible reaction. Reactant is converted into product, but the product cannot be converted into reactant, irreversible. The reactant cannot be converted completely into the product. The reactant can be completely converted into the product. Both forward and backward reaction takes place simultaneously. It is unidirectional, only one direction. It proceeds only in the forward direction. It attains equilibrium. Equilibrium is not attained. It is relatively slow. It is fast reaction. For example, H2O solid, physical equilibrium. H2O solid is converted into H2O liquid. On heating, solid is converted into liquid. On cooling, liquid is converted into ice. Here, irreversible reaction, carbon when burned in oxygen completely converted into carbon dioxide. Come to state of equilibrium. It is a reversible reaction. The rate of forward reaction becomes equal to the rate of backward reaction. At this stage, there is no net change in the amount of the reactant and the product. So, when the rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of reverse reaction, the reversible reaction is called equilibrium reaction. Rate of decomposition of calcium carbonate forward reaction is equal to rate of combination of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Come to rate of a chemical reaction. Rate of the reaction is a change in the amount of concentration of any one of the reactants or product per unit time. A gives P. First, the rate of forward rate of the reaction can be written as rate equal to rate of change of when the time changes, concentration of A changes. When the time changes, when there is a change in time, concentration of product also changes. When there is a change in time, concentration of A goes on decreases. Therefore, it is indicated by negative sign. When there is a change in time, concentration of product goes on increases. Therefore, indicated by positive sign. Where square bracket A is concentration of A, square bracket B is nothing but concentration of B. The negative sign indicate the decrease in the concentration of A with time. The positive sign indicate the increase in concentration of B with time. Faster the reaction, more will be the amount of the product in a specified time. Factors influencing the rate of the reaction: nature of the reactant, concentration of the reactant, temperature, catalyst, pressure, surface area of the reactant. First, nature of the reactant. The rate of the reaction changes depends upon the chemical ability of the reactant. For example, sodium is added in a strong acid HCl and added in weak acid acetic acid. Sodium in both the cases displaces hydrogen gas from the both the acid. When sodium is added in hydrochloric acid, it displaces hydrogen, forms sodium chloride. But the reaction is very fast. Sodium when added to acetic acid, it also liberates hydrogen gas, it forms sodium acetate, but the reaction is very slow. In the above reactions, HCl acid is more reactive than acetic acid. Come to the second factors influencing the rate of the reaction, nothing but concentration of the reactant. Changing the amount of the reactant also increases the reaction rate, because more the concentration, more particles per volume exist in it, and hence faster the reaction. For example, granulated Zn react faster with 2m HCl than 1m HCl. If concentration increases, rate of the reaction also increases. The third factor affecting the rate of the reaction is temperature. Most of the reactions go faster at high temperature, because applying heat to the reactants provide energy to break more bonds and thus speed up the reaction. For example, calcium carbonate reacts slowly with HCl at room temperature. When the reaction is heated, the reaction rate increases. Come to the fourth factors affecting the rate of the reaction: catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which increases the reaction rate without being consumed in the reaction. For example, in the Haber's process of manufacture of ammonia, iron is used as a catalyst. In the above reaction, the reaction rate increased by the addition of the catalyst iron and obtained more amount of ammonia as product. Come to the fifth factors affecting pressure. If the reactants are gases, increasing their pressure increases the reaction rate. This is because on increasing the pressure, the reacting particle come close and collide frequently. Then come to the last factor, surface area of the reactant. More surface area of the reactant increase the rate of the reaction. Thus, powdered form, more surface area of the reactant react more readily than solid reactant, less surface area. Example, powdered calcium carbonate react more readily with HCl than marble chips. Also the molecular formula CaCO3. Come to the next heading, ionic product of water. A reaction in which two water molecules react with each other to give hydronium ion or H plus ion and hydroxyl ion. So as fast as they are formed, they react again to produce water and attain equilibrium. When one water molecule H plus OH minus is added in another water molecule, one water molecule provides H plus ion, therefore it acts as an acid and it accepts a H plus ion act as a base. After donation of a proton, we have one hydroxide ion and hydronium ion H3O plus ion. The product of concentration of hydronium ion and the OH minus ion is called ionic product of water. Ionic product of water Kw equal to concentration of H3O plus ion and OH minus ion, or Kw equal to instead of H3O plus ion we can also use H plus ion and OH minus ion. The experimental value of H3O plus ion or H plus ion is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole liter power minus 1, and the experimental value for OH minus ion is also 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole liter power minus 1. Their multiplication Kw equal to H plus ion 1 into 10 power minus 7 into OH minus ion concentration 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole into mole square, liter into liter power minus 2. Therefore, Kw ionic product of water equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole square liter power minus 2. Come to the pH scale. pH scale is a scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. pH range: stomach acid pH equal to 1, lemon juice pH 2, fresh milk pH 5, pure water pH 7, blood plasma pH 7.4, sea water pH 8, lime water pH 12. Some formula: pH equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration to the base 10, pOH equal to negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration to the base 10, pH plus pOH equal to 14. 1-2 problem we will solve. Calculate the pH of 0.001 molar solution of HCl. Solution: HCl is a strong acid and is completely dissociated in its solution as HCl gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Concentration of acid given is 0.001. This is 1 mole, therefore this is also 0.001. 1 mole, here also 1 mole, 0.001. To calculate, we require H plus ion concentration, that is 0.001. So that H plus ion concentration is equal to 0.001 equal to 10 power minus 3. When you substitute in this formula, pH equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 3, log B power A equal to A log B, bring the minus 3 here, minus into minus becomes plus 3 log 10 to the base 10, log 10 to the base 10 equal to 1, therefore pH equal to 3. This is the answer. Come to the next problem. Calculate the pOH of 1 into 10 power minus 14 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. So the OH minus ion concentration, sodium hydroxide concentration is given as 10 power minus 4, it is 1. Therefore, here 1 mole, here 1 mole, this is also 10 power minus 1, that is also 10 power minus 4. We can easily calculate pOH equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration to the base 10, minus log of OH minus ion concentration 10 power minus 4 to the base 10, log B power A equal to A log B. When you bring minus 4 to the front side, it becomes plus 4 log 10 to the base 10. Therefore, pOH equal to 4. And my dear students, in this video, we discussed about the types of chemical reaction and pH calculation. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.